climb, leave my troubles in the world behind. Well, I work real hard and I play real hard, been that way all of my life. I love my woman and I love my hound dog, and I love my old four-wheel drive. So tomorrow morning gonna take a ride back in the woods where the fox squirrel hide. Gonna take my woman, gonna take Old Blue. My woman and my dog, they like to ride too.